This makes a lot of sound, doesn't it? The Elgato foot pedal. Is it something that you need? Can you put it into your workflow? Is it something that you can complement with your Stream Deck? 15 key, 30 key, whatever key. Hello everyone, my name is Jutanal Ahmed and today I'm unboxing the Stream Deck pedal. Now, this is something that's a bit of a controversy in what stuff that I've been reading. People are thinking, why do you need a pedal? Especially if you have a Stream Deck. Now, there's a specific use case that I purchased this for. It's to use with my teleprompter. Because rather than me reaching out and moving my hands and stopping videos and stuff like this, I thought I'd just use my feet. Let's try and use all of our body parts in these videos, lol. Anyway, let's begin with the unboxing. Sadly, I've been looking around the box, right? I don't feel like I'm going to be able to use my handy knife. I am going to leave it out though, because I might just cut the box up, lol. Anyways, let's look at the front of the box, the Stream Deck pedal. This is how it looks. Streamline your setup. Obviously a product by Elgato. The reason I'm saying that I'm not going to be using my knife is because apparently I'm going to peel this. But yeah, Stream Deck pedal, there's some information here. And let's look at the side. I'm going to have to... Oh, 3 customizable pedals, single and multi actions, adjustable pedal pressure, a detachable cable. And then inside the box... Stream Deck pedal, 4x2 spring tension, customizable sets, 2x middle pedal stoppers, 4. Sorry, why did I say 4? USB-C to USB-A. Why is it USB-C to USB-A? I just don't understand. Like, it's 2020. Like, I'm flabbergasted. it's crazy. Like, in this day and age, why are we using USB-C to USB-A? Hopefully they update the products soon. Anyways, there's a quick start guide. The other side is just a Stream Deck pedal, like a quick logo or something. But anyways, let's begin with tearing it open. Hopefully that sounded nice for you all. It's a pretty clean tear, if I'll be honest. It's like when I bought my MacBook Pro. This is like similar boxing style. So Stream Deck pedal. Okay, this is packed very, very well and securely. It's pretty heavy, if I'll be honest, but then again it is going to be on the ground, right? Oh yes, should I peel this or should I use my knife? I need to use my knife. It feels... Oh, look how smooth that cut is. It's like butter. I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. That was so satisfying for me. Lol. Anyways, let's take this out. Metal steel. It's very clicky, isn't it? Do you know what? Let me just put that to a side and get everything else out of the box, and then I'm going to have an actual look at the pedal. And the Stream Deck pedals quick start guide. Okay, it's basically a guide to help with reducing the tension. I probably will, because I don't want it to make any noise in my videos. Okay, it just gives you some basic understanding of what you need. What's in here? So metal pedal stoppers. That's what it says there. Spring set 2000, great. Spring set 1400. I think this is basically to see how springy you want it. And the tension. Spring set 700. Obviously I will be testing this. This cable is nice. It's... Bloody hell, man. Why is it USB-A? Anyways, it's braided. At least that seems decent quality. And then some manufacturing information. There's nothing else in here, I don't think. Nope, nothing else. Okay, let's put this all to a side now. So, I don't know what to feel about the clickiness of this whole... This is a... I nearly cut my hand there, you know that. I don't know what to feel, if I'll be honest, because I hope when I change the springs, it doesn't make as much noise. Let's have a look here, right? That's the USB-C cable. You will obviously leave it this way, and then your foot is meant to go like that. Okay. As I said, it's very, very clicky. I will be changing the springs as I mentioned. One thing to note regarding this item, right? This Elgato pedal, basically you can actually do smart profiling. What that means is, even though there's a comparison between the Stream Deck and this pedal works with multiple applications, and you can have 3 different basic keybinds or macros or whatever you want to call it. You can have 3 different ones for each application, which is excellent. That's not 3 then, is it? It's much more than that. I am going to be using this with my teleprompter. That's the main use case of why I purchased it, but hopefully I can add it into my workflow where I can use it for multiple things, which would be excellent. But yeah, anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I upload videos regarding crypto, unboxings, tech, stuff like this, and many other topics actually. But yeah, do support the channel, pop a like, and lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care all. Bye bye.